Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Vesty back at it again with another unboxing video. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tap the notification bell. Now, it's been a while since I bought something, but I decided to spoil myself a bit. Plus, there's been a lot of sales going on, so I might as well take advantage of the opportunity. As you can tell by the title, this is gonna be an unboxing video. Yeah. All right, let's get straight into the packaging. It's your receipt. Yeah, I don't need to see that. Okay, here's the jacket. Throw it in the box. And then we have the product right here. Wow, this jacket is pretty cool. Okay, let's start reviewing this thing. So this is the jacket. Feels pretty nice. Yeah, it looks cool. I like it. It's different. People might have mixed opinions, but I think it looks cool. Yeah, but I mean, this is how it fits. It feels it's like a very relaxed fit, very relaxed. You'd think it wouldn't feel very warm because the Sherpa is not on the inside, but it actually does feel warm. Even with the Sherpa on the outside, I do feel a little bit of warmness. I mean, it feels good though. I mean, it's almost like your traditional denim jacket, except it just doesn't have the two breast pockets on the front. But I mean, it looks fine. I mean, it's nice. You know, two pockets here, two side pockets here. You have an inside pocket here, and you have a Sherpa collar, of course. Sherpa. This is the jacket. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any recommendations, make sure to leave them down in the comments. You know, any pants you would like to see, any Levi's jackets, or just doesn't have to be Levi's in general, just like anything. You know, this is a fashion channel, I'll do anything. But I mean, whatever you recommend, give me, suggestions or whatever. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And lastly, obviously, I know I keep saying this, but tap the notification bell. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.